Got your girl hit her from the back and she like, cap the new whip looking at my brother, we like, put my ops in blunts, me and Geeks smoke it and we like, when I flex this cash, it's gon' make your lil' shorty, yeah, make your lil' shorty, Told her shorty she needs to get low and bust it down. Go ahead and get lower, I wanna see it touch the ground. Listen to them sing, these are the heavenly sounds. These choppers singing loud and they do not fool around. We gon' get the choppers and we blow 100 rounds. I made shorty tap out, now she want a second round. We just clapped you up, now the ball is out of bounds. If you want the hit, the choppers sing all the heavenly sounds. I'm really in my prime, this is my time to shine, man. Your little shorty fine, she was yours, now she mine. Hit her once on Valentine's, then I put her back in line. Yeah, you better back it up, man, we might have to blow the 9. When I shoot, I never miss, cause man, I have consistency. I'm just drilling and I'm killing people, it's consistently. And they know I can't be tamed, cause man, I'm just relentless G. Put the shiesty mask on, we don't care what a little witness see. Run up on me, you get hit. I'm reloading to clip my freshman brick. I'll never leave the house without my stick. Glock make him lose sense like he autistic. I'm the best one, yes, so when I do my job, I'm optimistic. I go ballistic, the skills I have are unrealistic, they're not realistic. Shorty made me mad, yeah, I cannot deny. That's why I read your last message and I still didn't reply. You said I ain't give you attention, well, cry, baby, cry. You said you love me more, that's a lie, baby, don't lie. I'm trying to teach these kids, don't fall into these little stereotypes. I'm already feeling it, I can't go back no second try. They said we only play ball and rap, but we gotta prove them wrong. We will rise, I'm telling you it won't be long. It's June, real fags know what time it is. Yeah, this is A, you already know who prime it is. I'll kill all you little fags, call that homicide. Now they wonder who's responsible for this homicide. Told her shorty she needs to get low and bust it down. Go ahead and get lower, I wanna see it touch the ground. Listen to them sing, these are the heavenly sounds. These choppers singing loud and they do not fool around. We gon' get the choppers and we blow 100 rounds. I made shorty tap out, now she want a second round. We just clapped you up, now the ball is out of bounds. If you want the hint, the choppers sing all the heavenly sounds. Hey, getting all this money,